Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to check and redeem your Amazon digital credits step by step. If you've ever earned credits from Amazon, like through No Rush Shipping, and want to see how much you have, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.amazon.com. On the top right corner, click Sign In, then enter your email address and password to access your account. Once logged in, hover over Account and List near the top right corner and select Account from the drop-down. Now, scroll down until you find the Shopping Programs and Rentals section. Click on it and then choose No Rush Reward Summary. Here, you'll see a complete overview of your digital credits, including the total amount available and sometimes even how you earned them. And that's it. You've just checked your Amazon digital credit balance in a few simple steps. Now you can use those credits to grab ebooks, movies, or other digital content with ease. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick Amazon tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the